How to log in to create one bank credit card online account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now at the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Credit One Login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option, creditonebank.com. Open it. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, at the top right corner, you're gonna see the option of Sign In. Go ahead and click on that option. You'll be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, go ahead and type in the username. Then type in the password. Likewise, you can check in for this option of Remember My Browser. In the case you have forgotten the username or password, you can click on these options to recover it. After you provide all the details, click on Sign In, and just for that, you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log in into Credit One Bank credit card account online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.